Hi Sylvia. This is my latest version of the prototype. As you can see, it's quite a bit different than the first ones because I've added a lot of functionality to it. And you can see right here with this blinking light, this is the radio that receives the commands to tell it what to do. It's all wireless, so it can rotate freely, continuously without any problems. This is the computer right here that receives the commands and tells the motors what to do. Motors are over here. There's a sensor, a couple of sensors down here that allow it to stop at a particular position. And I added also, you'll see this in a second, it's called a NeoPixel ring, which will light up when the talking head speaks. And this is the controller. I'm going to turn it on now. And you can see that there are 3 numbers and 3 knobs. And the first number is the address of the talking head that's going to be rotating. And I only have that set for 3 different talking heads, but I can make that number much higher. So I only have just the one, so I'll select talking head number 1. And the second knob controls the motor speed and direction. And negative numbers make it go in a counterclockwise direction. And the larger the number, for instance, minus 90 would be the highest speed. And as I get a negative number closer to 0, it's going to get slower and slower until 0 would be a stop. And then positive numbers make it go in the clockwise direction. And as I get closer and closer to the largest number, which is 90, that would be top speed. And finally, this last knob controls whether the talking head spins around continuously or if it stops at a certain point. And when it does stop, it commands it to speak, and the light goes on. So the numbers 1, 2, or 3, and 3 are the 3 different positions the head could stop. And number 5 is a continuous rotation. And then if I dial in a number 7, then that makes it speak. And you can see here, this is the little gizmo with a flashing light. That's the radio that sends the command. So this is basically a remote control that allows you to control the speed and direction of the talking head, where it stops, and at what point it would speak to the other talking head that's facing it. Okay, so now I'm going to use the controller to wirelessly command the talking head to do what it can do. So I think first I'll have it just rotate continuously in a clockwise direction. And now I will stop it at one of the positions. And I can go to another position if I want from here. I can make it go the other way continuously. Maybe this time I'll go a little bit slower. And I think I can go even a little bit slower than that. We'll see how slow I can make it go here. How about we'll do it this way. And let's go the other way at full speed continuously a little bit, and then I will stop it and have it speak.
Hi Sylvia, what do you think of me now?
You can't see it too well in the video, but the NeoPixel ring around the speaker can be commanded to be of any of 3 different colors, red, green, or blue, which correspond to one of the 3 positions that it's able to stop. And that's just another visual indication for the audience to see what's going on. So let me know what you think, and talk to you soon.